chance. Are you working in Philippines at the moment? Are you working now in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Oh,
here in Philippines.
what are you working as now? Are you working there now?
No, ma'am. I'm not working here in the Philippines.
Oh, so you're wait.
I'm take care of my son.
Oh, you're taking care of your son, huh? So your son is how old?
6 years old, ma'am.
6 years old. And how old are you?
I'm 29.
29. And your name is? Your name?
No, ma'am.
What is your
I'm
What is your name?
I'm single, ma'am. I'm single.
What is your
Single mother.
What is your name?
Mary Ann Barolo. My
Mary
name is
Ann
Mary Ann.
Balolo. So I just let you know, I am now taping this recording. I'm taping this interview so that I can send to the employer for the employer to view. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you're the single mother, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then when you're over here, who will look after your son?
Ma'am?
When you come over to Malaysia to work,
Yes,
who will look after your son?
my parents, ma'am. My mother.
Your
I
mother
take care of my son. Yes, ma'am.
will take care of your son. And your mother, is she working?
No, ma'am. Stay at home.
Uh, so,
Housewife.
so she's a housewife and she will look after your son for you. And you have got her for permission to come over to work? You
Yes,
got
ma'am. Have a permission to my parents.
Yeah, you got her permission to come over to Malaysia to work. With her blessing you are coming over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because we don't want halfway you say you have to go back because your mom don't allow you. Huh? So you have to be clear that you got all the permission that is required for you to come over to work, and only you can work happily. Okay? So is there anybody else you will have to get permission to come over to work?
Only my parents, ma'am.
Only your parents, and you have got their approval, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now, how many brothers and sisters have you?
I have 4 brothers and 1 sister.
4 brothers.
Yes, ma'am.
And what position are you in?
And 4.
You are number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are almost the youngest there.
Yes, ma'am. Youngest sister.
Okay. So what is your height?
We're 11, ma'am.
4'11". Okay. And your weight?
60 kilos.
60 kilo. Oh, okay. Your date of birth again? Your date of birth?
Ma'am.
What is your date of birth?
January 4, 1985.
January 4,
1985.
1985.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. How do you consider your health? Do you have any problem that comes now and then? Do you like have
I have no problems in my health, ma'am.
no problem with your health, huh? No headache, no menstruation pain, and all this sort of thing.
No, ma'am. No.
Okay,
I
health
have
is
no dysmenorrhea.
good. Okay. Okay. Do you have any overseas experience?
I have experience in beach in Amman, Jordan. But I'm not finished the contract only 1 year and 8 months.
Why?
1 year and 8 months.
Yeah, why only 1 year and 6 months?
8 months.
Why?
I don't misunderstanding in my employer, I think so.
Misunderstanding with your employer. How come there is misunderstanding?
Because he asked me to extend my contract, but I answered no, ma'am.
How can you make that mistake? Huh? Or you didn't want to extend, is it? Is it
Yes, ma'am. He asked me to extend my contract, but my answer is no.
or you didn't want to extend? You want
Yes, ma'am.
you want to
I
go back to
extend my
you want to go back to
contract.
you want to go back to Philippines.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So they stop you from that time lah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then why do you want to go back to Philippines? Don't you like working in Jordan?
But I finished my contract for 2 years. I want to come back to Philippines. I have to meet my family like that.
But yes,
Then if I finish I come to Philippines, if they like me, I come back again in my employer. But I
yeah.
want to come back first in my place.
Mm. So you see, it is very, very important that what you say and what you do must not have misunderstanding. What is not clear, ask the question again to make sure you know what is being asked so that there's no misunderstanding. You know, misunderstanding can cause a lot of trouble, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to be very careful with your words, huh? And with your talking also, you must be polite, show respect, huh? Okay. Okay. Now, if you are to come over to work,
I
how
want to finish my contract for 3 years.
you want to finish your contract only? You want to finish your contract only? 2 years
No,
contract?
I want to hard work, ma'am.
Hmm?
I want to hard work.
Yes. Okay. Then why you want to work for 2 years only?
Or more 2 years.
Hmm? 2 years, is it enough for you, or you want
No,
more?
I want to more years.
Yes. If you work good, your work is good, your employer likes you, and you like the employer, then you can extend to the 3rd year, to the 4th year, to the 5th year.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? That is depends whether you are doing a good job. Huh? You know? You understand?
Ma'am, I understand.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what you can do?
To clean the house,
Yeah.
lesson my employer,
Huh?
like that. Working the house,
Yeah.
cleaning the home,
Mm.
or listening my madam.
Mm. And then, do you know how to look after baby?
Yes, ma'am. Because I have a child.
Baby from newborn?
Newborn, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm
You-
the one who
You can, huh? You can handle newborn babies, huh? Okay, and then children. If there's children in the house, you can handle them also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Looks like children, no problem for you. But what about old people?
Old people, ma'am. I have no experience. I'm not experienced to take care the old
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. You have no experience look
No
after,
experience, ma'am.
no experience. But are you willing to learn to look after them?
I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Willing to learn, huh?
To take care.
Okay. Because some of these old people, I don't know who yet, is it? Because I'm interviewing you now in general, huh? So there may be one who is having a problem, medical problem, where you have to attend to the patient, the person, fully, like take care of her, make sure that she's comfortable, and give her medicine, or take her to hospital together with your man. All this you're willing to do. Are you willing to take care of an old folks like that? Take care of her fully? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe sometimes maybe you have to change diapers for her, bathe her.
How to take care the kids, ma'am. The newborn baby.
Huh?
I know, ma'am.
Okay, you're willing to do that also, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Two. Okay. Do you consider yourself very, very what do you call quick-tempered or patient?
I'm patient, ma'am.
You have the patience.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not.
Okay, because you cannot what do you call answer back and show your anger. You must always have a smiling face, huh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have to be polite, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait, huh? Do you know how to cook?
And Filipino food, ma'am. I know how to cook.
Philippine food, no problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But do you like spicy food?
Ma'am?
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, ma'am. Filipino like spicy food.
Oh, okay. You can have, but now in Malaysia, I don't know whether the Chinese or the Malay or Indian going to employ you, but they will have we will have our own style of cooking. So the man will teach you how to cook. Are you
Yes, ma'am.
are you going to learn?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn how to cook, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. All right. Do you have any friends in Malaysia?
No, ma'am. I have no friends in Malaysia or another country.
No, not in Malaysia, not in Singapore.
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. And then, okay, give me a reason why you want to go overseas to work.
I want to go that because I want to earn money for the future of my son, for my kids.
Earn money for your son's future.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's a very good mother. So
Thank you, ma'am.
you have a goal in front of you, so you make sure that you achieve that goal. If not, then you will fail and your son will blame you if you fail. Right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you a few more questions. You know that is we don't encourage you to go off days because you will get lost and you will spend money and waste your money. So you will go out with your employer. When the employer goes out, they will take you along. Then you will also see our country that way. Okay. So is it okay? Is it okay with you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm listening to my employer.
Okay. So and in that way the what do you call employer can protect you and you will be very comfortable in a way that you won't be cheated, you won't be lost, and you can save all the money that you earn in this country, and the handphone is also you can have the phone, but the phone we advise you to keep by the employer because we don't want any calls to disturb you. Because once the phone ring or a message come to your phone, your mind will be all concentrated on the phone, and whatever you do, you cannot concentrate, and that is not good for your work. So the phone you keep with the employer, and when you want to make calls, you can always get it from the employer.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that arrangement okay for you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay for that.
Okay, very good. What about contract? You know is how many years contract?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years. Okay, you are aware of that. All right. No. Okay. If the employers have pets like cats or dogs, you will have to feed them, and then maybe wash them once a week.
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And also cars. You
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
no problem. Okay, okay, that's very good. Very positive. Very good. Okay, now another problem I have with you is, I mean, the only problem I have with you is contacting you. I can't contact you. Very
Yes.
difficult. Do you have another number that I can contact just in case this
No, ma'am.
number?
Only that, ma'am. Because my the signal in my place, ma'am. Only that number.
Oh,
Tan. Yes, ma'am. I live in province, ma'am. Sometimes have signal, sometimes no.
oh.
It's weak signal.
So what is the best time to call you when there is good signal?
No, ma'am. Because that a province, I don't speak English, bukid, ma'am.
Huh?
Bundok, ma'am.
Huh? What time you think?
Mountain, ma'am.
Huh?
My place is like a mountain.
Like all a mountain all is blocked. But you think the reception is good in the morning or in the evening?
I think the wind, like that, the wind there, ma'am, the wind, sometimes no signal because
Or the wind?
the tower.
So okay. I tell you what. Uh, because why? After I show this interview to the employer, they may want to call you again. You say they may want to call you and talk to you. So
Yes, ma'am, and again, Skype, ma'am.
yeah, that's why I would like you, if you can, call me. If I can't get you lah, but you don't know, but you try and call me maybe in a week or
Ma'am.
1 or 2 days later. Just miss call me and I will call you back.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Huh?
okay, ma'am, calling, it's okay, ma'am, calling, my employer calling me in the telephone, ma'am, because sometimes no money to pay in the card for transportation, like that.
You miss
Sometimes I have
you miss
money.
call. Miss call me. I'll call you back. You give me a
Okay,
miss
ma'am.
call so that I know I can call you that time. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will call you back. You
Yes.
just miss call me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm waiting, ma'am, for another day.
Pardon?
Thank you, madam.
Pardon? What did you say?
I'm waiting for calling
Yeah.
another.
Yeah. I will. Today, are you going back to your province?
Yes, ma'am. Today I finish here. I come back to my province. To my
Oh,
place.
I see. Because I will give your number to one of the clients, and she may want to interview you, or maybe not today, tomorrow.
Not
Tomorrow.
tomorrow, ma'am.
Hmm?
Next week, like that.
Huh?
Week.
Tomorrow?
Next week.
No,
No,
tomorrow.
ma'am. No, next week, ma'am. Because I want to save my money for my transportation to come in the office.
She misunderstood.
I know.
Okay, ma'am.
I want to call you
How
on the
to call,
phone.
okay.
The employer may want to call you on the phone. No need to come.
Okay.
No need to come to Cebu already. We want to
Okay,
call
ma'am.
you to interview you.
Okay, ma'am.
So you try.
Ma'am.
You try and miss call me, and I will call you back.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because I always try to call you but couldn't get you. But if you miss call me, then I know I can get you, and I'll call you back.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So are you
Thank you for
are you ready? Are you ready to have? Are you ready to come over to work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm willing.
Okay. Very good. Okay. I think that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your phone
Ma'am,
on.
I asked her what's my employer, ma'am, in your place, ma'am.
I don't know yet. As I said, I don't know yet. I will pass this interview to them and see who agreeable to take you. And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
they will call you and interview you again.
For now, ma'am, I have no employer, ma'am.
There are a few asking for you, but I have to
Okay.
show them this interview first. See which one like you more and then willing to take you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Bye
Okay.
bye.